All right, now we're ready to start writing some Kotlin code. So, like I said, source is going to be used to hold our Kotlin files and logic. So let's right click source, hover over new, click Kotlin file/class. So what I want to do is create a Kotlin file to hold our entry point into our application. So what I'm going to call this file is application start. Press enter. Cool. So the difference between Java and Kotlin is the fact that we don't even have to make a class to get started, really. All we need is a function. So in this case, to make a function in Kotlin, we use the word fun. Simple. And you guys can see that, try to recommend some other stuff, but we just need fun. Simple, very simple. And then we choose a name for the function. There's a keyword in Kotlin that lets Kotlin know that this is going to be the entryway into our application. So we call this thing main. This is the main entryway. This is the main gate. This is the main door. This is how we'll get into this application. Then, for functions, we'll need a parentheses. So we just open and close parentheses. And then we have curly braces. Within this curly braces, this is going to run the logic that we put inside this curly braces. This is the body of our function. So I think it's an international standard to print out something when you're learning a language for the first time, or when you're building an application for the first time, just to see that it's working and that it's running and that I'm not lying to you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is to print out hello world. In my case, I want a new line after, so I'm going to put print ln. So this let Kotlin know I want to print something, but I want to add a new line after I print that thing. So then I put print ln, open close parentheses, and to print out text, in Kotlin I have to use double quotes, and really that's in most languages, but in Kotlin it's double quotes, and then I place whatever text that I want to print out within those double quotes. So I'm gonna just put hello world with exclamation point because I'm serious. And then you click this play button right next to this function. Run application start, which is the name of our file. And then if my computer isn't so slow, you should see it pop up soon. Boom. Hello world. So let me just go over this again. We made a file called application start.kt. We made a function, and to make a function in Kotlin, you use the keyword fun. Then you specify it with a name. To let Kotlin know that this is going to be the entryway into our application, we have to use the keyword main for the function. Then we open and close parentheses for the function. And then we open up a body of the function so that it can see what exactly we're trying to run on the entryway into our application. So within those curly braces, we want to let Kotlin know, to start off, I want to print out hello world. And I want to print out with a new line, hello world. So yeah, that is how you get an entryway into Kotlin, and that is how you print something in Kotlin with a new line.